Future home of the Milwaukee Bucks is taking shape in downtown Milwaukee.
Crews say the arena project is already 15% complete.
Ben Jordan with an exclusive sneak peek inside the construction zone. Ben.
Charles, Shannon, crews have come a long way since that first steel beam was set just under 3 months ago. This place is actually starting to look like an arena with more than 50% of the steel framing completed on the west side. At the Milwaukee Bucks' new arena, construction crews are in constant motion. With cranes in the air, steel set in place, and shovels in the ground.
What we have is the west half of the bowl structure.
Project Director Mike Sorge says excitement on the job site is starting to build as Milwaukee's newest landmark comes to life.
We're completed on the northwest corner, 100% with structural steel.
Around 190 construction workers moving this $500 million project along on time and on budget by placing steel framing. Senior Superintendent Denver Callahan calls it one of the riskiest operations of the entire project.
Slip, trips, and falls, and we speak of that daily.
So far, Callahan says that hasn't happened here.
We treat everybody here on this project as though family.
Later this month, a second shift of crews will start working through the night to form the structure for seating, with hopes to enclose the roof by Thanksgiving. With that comes plenty more workers.
That will grow to between 600 and 700 by the end of the summer.
The project has promised 40% of them will come from right here in Milwaukee, along with 8% minority participation.
We're actually at 33% minority participation, so it's really a phenomenal achievement, and we've got the right people, the right crew.
And late this year, work will transition to the interior of the arena with hopes to complete the entire project by late July of 2018. Live in downtown Milwaukee, Ben Jordan, today's TMJ4.
A lot of excitement downtown for the new arena. All right, Ben, thank you.